He flicked a rock at us. There's been a few areas that have been a little bit difficult to walk over. Very hard to see down in there because the bush is so thick. But now we are walking out of the canopy, so we're starting to make our way out. I thoroughly recommend this walk. If you ever come to Australia and you'd like to walk through a rainforest, this is the one to come and see. Beautiful views and birds. You just have to have good shoes on to walk through this sort of country. Got a sign up here to tell us some information. Ooh, okay. A warning sign. Warning, landslip area ahead. Walk through without stopping. Do not use tracking in wet weather. Okay, well, we won't be doing that. See, here's some steps we have to go up over. This is probably one of the safer areas. Come on, April. Oh, here's an animal. Just in here. What is that? Let's look at it. It's not a big snake. Well, that's interesting. We can't see what that is. April, careful, it's not a snake. Oh, 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 oh. Come this way. It's going up the hill, whatever it is. I reckon that's a snake. Yeah, it's a snake.
You got feather.
A what?
You got feathers. It's not a snake. You got feathers, you see.
Oh, it's a,
Big rat.
yeah, something like. Yeah, we just. That's a very interesting marsupial, I don't know that that's a rat. Oh, I thought it was a snake, so I should be quiet. Yeah, let me have it because I can see in there, or I might be able to zoom in on it. You can sort of see his fur. We won't disturb him. Yeah, he's gone up further now. Wow, that was interesting. Oh, there he is. There's his fur. Yeah, look at that. I can see its face now. Oh, I hope that comes out. He flicked a rock at us.